doing this. Massage in the bleach. All right, Brad Mondo, if you're watching, you probably know how this is gonna end up, but I don't. Hey guys, today I'm gonna be bleaching my hair. I'm not a professional and this may go terribly wrong, but it's okay because it's just hair. I am going to go way off the beaten path here and I'm gonna do my typical massage in technique that I've been doing with the hair dye because I just don't feel confident in being able to properly section it and foils or whatever, I don't know. I've been scouring YouTube for videos to see what happens if you bleach your roots and your bleached hair at the same time without sectioning, and can't find anything. Now, I don't know if that's because it's a terrible idea or just nobody's tried it and done a video about it. I think this bleached hair might, you know, burn and break off, but I'm okay with that because I shaved my head 8 months ago and then I bleached it and I just don't really care what happens. So, famous last words. I just want to see what happens. The roots are virgin brown. And then we've kind of got this orangey section that was virgin brown and then I did a demi-permanent purple. And then we've got this end which was bleached and then a demi-permanent purple. So, lots going on here. Last time I bleached, I used the Manic Panic. I will link it below. This time I got the L'Oreal Paris Feria Hyper Platinum. It says it lightens up to 8 levels. Here are the before and afters. I know it's stupid to go by the box and the colors they show you because is it ever that result? These are all very similar. So I'm like, maybe they'll all come out kind of similar color enough. I haven't washed it in a few days, so it's looking pretty greasy, but supposedly those oils will help protect your scalp. Here's how it comes. We've got a developer, and it doesn't say on the product page, but this does say here it's 30 volume. Bleaching powder, hyper lightening cream, purple conditioner. So this is gonna be good if it turns completely yellow and brassy. This will tone it down. It gives you instructions. And it gives you 1 pair of gloves. It does not give you a comb or a brush. I'm kind of nervous. It says right here, do not use if you have previously bleached or highlighted your hair. Fair warning that we're not gonna listen to. What's the worst that can happen? It's just hair. It may break off. I may shave it again. I don't know what's gonna happen. Stay tuned. Here we go. So first, open this up, shake the powder, pour the powder in, shake. Now we're gonna put the lightening cream in. Then we shake it again, just off the tip. Ready to go. Brad Mondo says, don't do the roots first. You gotta wait and do them way later or else you'll get hot roots. But I think hot roots might be good here because they need to catch up to the rest of the hair, right? I don't know. I guess it's go time. I've got a teeny tiny little mirror here so I can see what's happening in the back. The consistency. It's like nice and creamy. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do this the massage style like always, like mayonnaise. Oh, that stings my eyes. Now what? What are we doing? Should I try this? I can't even. We're just doing this. Massage in the bleach. It's going well so far. Got some on my eyebrow here. Save the eyebrows. Ah! That was scary. Massage. We're looking for anything. All right, Brad Mondo, if you're watching, you probably know how this is gonna end up, but I don't yet, so I don't know. I think it's looking good. It's lightening. I don't feel any burning or tingling like I did with the Manic Panic, which makes me wonder why. I'm gonna let it cook for 20 minutes and check on the color. All right, this is 20 minutes in. Very yellow. I'm gonna let it go another 20 minutes, so we'll be at the full 40 minutes that it recommended, because it said like do your hair for 20 minutes and then do your roots for 20 more minutes. So we'll go the full 40 and see what happens. Been 40 minutes, I'm gonna rinse it out. I hate this part. This is the hardest part to do yourself and not get it in your eyes and stuff, but let's see here. All right. I really don't think it's changed since the last 20-minute check-in, but we're just gonna rinse it out and be totally yellow and fix it with the purple conditioner. Oh, my towel is down here. That wasn't supposed to happen. Here is the result. It is yellow, and that is kind of as expected. I don't know. Looks good. Here goes the purple conditioner to hopefully tone it from a yellow to more of a platinum. Well, let's see. It's a nice thick, should be easy to use. Whoa. Ooh, this one smells good. Kind of going green though. I don't know about this. This is more of a blue than the purple. All right, hopefully this doesn't turn my hair green like it looks like it kind of is. Says 5 minutes. All right. Got a bit of a conundrum here because that purple, which was really blue, not purple, what the hell, it didn't really do anything except it did turn a few of the super highlights kind of bluish, which I'm not digging. So, to do the Fanola purple shampoo, will that fix it? Or will these like end up like purple? I don't know what to do. I don't want to mess it up more, but I really am not digging this orange. So the question is, I think I will do Fanola, see how that goes, and if I still don't like it, I'll just go with a vibrant color like pink. So let's keep going, why not? Deeper down the rabbit hole we go. Now we're gonna try some Fanola purple shampoo. I do love the satisfying lather this one gives. Do your magic, please. Much better. I'm digging this color, but it feels like freaking straw right now. So the final piece is a massive, massive conditioner. So I'm going with Bold Unique Boldplex Bond Restore Treatment, which is basically like an Olaplex. Gonna treat the hair and make it real good. Ugh. Nothing's breaking off in my hands just yet. So yummy, yummy, yummy. This is good stuff. I'm gonna let it just treat my hair and give it some life back, hopefully, for maybe an hour. You can do this overnight. I mean, there's no limit on it. So I'm just gonna let it sit here as long as I can today and then wash it out and see. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the grand reveal. Is it perfect? No. Is it good enough for the $10 I spent? Yes, for sure. I'm kind of digging the two tones it came out with. Here's the back. I don't know. What do you think? The highlights ended up really like a nice platinum color, and then the rest of it is kind of like a mild yellow. I don't hate it. I'm definitely gonna sit with it a while and then start playing around with colors because I love doing the semi-permanent colors that last a couple of weeks and wash out quickly, and then you do a new pastel and a new pastel. I love it. It's a fun change. It was really easy. There was no pain or damage to my scalp. It was much milder on my skin than the Manic Panic. I went like a full week without shampooing my hair, and there was like packing in a 90-degree house, a lot of sweating, a lot of oil on my scalp. So maybe that just protected it better, or maybe the L'Oreal is milder. I don't know for sure, but that's one of my biggest tips is like go a full week without washing your hair and really protect your scalp. Also, it felt really horrible after the purple shampoo, and then after the Boldplex, like it just feels really nice. It feels like my normal hair. It's shiny, it's pretty, it looks, I'm really happy with the condition it is. I thought this was gonna like totally break off, I really did. And it still might at some point, I'm not sure. Anyway, this was a fun day. Thanks for hanging in there with me. It was a lot of steps and a lot of, oh no, what have I gotten myself into? Leave a comment below. How do you like the new do? And what color should I do next? Thanks for watching. I hope that I inspired you to take some hair risks and have some fun because it's just hair. The worst that can happen is that you have to go get it fixed and it maybe end up spending more than you intended to because the color correction and all that costs a lot more than if you had gone originally. But sometimes it goes well and you end up saving a ton of time and money and have some fun. So I don't know, it's a win for me. If you're not subscribed, be sure to do that because there's a lot of hair fun in the future. Bye guys.